Lose weight with high-protein iced coffee. Herbalife Healthy Iced Coffee Protein for Weight Loss. Enjoy an iced coffee beverage that is very high in protein and very low in calories for the ultimate fat-burning effect. Protein is a basic nutrient that plays a vital role in the daily function of the body. Amongst other things, they builds and repairs skin, blood, bones, muscles and cartilage. Without adequate protein in the diet, muscles will not repair for quick or effectively, and these may contribute to overtraining. This is the best iced coffee protein for weight loss. Looking for the perfect morning pick-me-up that will aid you in your weight loss journey? You've come to the right place. And of course, protein is key, reducing our appetite and keeping our metabolism high to burn fat and retain muscle. So here is a healthy iced coffee protein that tastes amazing. For all you coffee lovers who are looking for a way to enjoy a lovely coffee guilt-free and without the added sugars and calories, then this is the drink for you. You'll never want to drink iced coffee any other way once you try this healthy protein-filled, delicious iced coffee beverage. Susan said, "It's super filling, holds me over until lunch, low in calories, high in protein, and the perfect morning pick-me-up." To be honest, it's not very sweet, but I'm a black coffee drinker, so it's absolutely perfect for me.